everybody. Today's quick trip is to do 3 things. Mail this and this in my backpack. This was supposed to be sent a long time ago, and I apologize to the person that I was supposed to send this to, but really there's no excuse. Life got in the way, but there were plenty of opportunities for me to send this, so I apologize. I traded this for a front grommet fender, which you probably saw in a video previously that I got like ages ago. But anyways, I'm gonna fulfill my promise and send this out. I have someone bought a Velocity stack, but my 3D printer broke. I recently fixed it. I probably failed printed like 8 or 9 of them already, but I got 2 to print good, and he bought 1, but I'm gonna send him 2. And I also sent him some stickers and Keytags and other things. And he was, I don't know why I'm breathing so hard. But I also mounted a 90-90-10 on the front on the stock wheel. So I'm going to ride it around and see what it feels like. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like to see what you guys think about it. But I for sure am lower than I was before. But I'm going to go ahead and use UPS to ship this off because it needs to get there quick. Anyways, let's get over there. I mean, yeah, it's shaved like an inch off the front of an inch and a half off the front of the bike. But like, I seriously, I can't tell because it's already super low. So, I mean, what's the difference? It doesn't feel any squirrelier, but oh my gosh, here's a picture of me trying to take it off. And it is a pain in the butt. And then trying to put the other tire on, which is mostly tire, it was so thick and it was cold, I had to warm the tire up. It took forever to get it back on. So for those people that do these tire things, yeah. And I'm super glad that my buddy who's in the previous videos, who wants to remain to be unknown, sent me or let me borrow his tools to take it off. But yeah, I mean, I don't feel any difference so far, other than that like my feet are like a millimeter off the ground. Okay, not a millimeter, but I'm sure you can see how low I am on the ground. You can kind of see it from here. Still have the disc brakes. I still have the other rim, which I'm going to put at 190 on it because this seems a little bit small. And then we're going to we'll walk around, we'll talk about it, and we'll show some footage of how the wheel looks. I know there are people curious out there, what's the smallest front tire you can put on a stock rim, and so far for me it's 90-90. And it's mega cold today. I think it's 36 right now. Yeah, I think it's 36. So I got 2 shirts, sweater, a jacket, gloves, and jeans, of course. Fortunately, there's a UPS store right next door, so it's not going to take too long. And then after this, we'll cross the street. Oh, no, wait, it's a school day. Can't go there. So we'll pick a parking lot over here to go to and kind of do a couple of drive-bys on the wheel to see if you guys like it or not. No drone today, although I should do it. But we'll see. There's a whole day ahead of us. There's no way I'm going to go over that speed bump. You crazy! It ain't happening. There it is. Alright, here we are. There's the UPS store. We're going to go ahead and get this into a box, this with a label, and sent off to the proper owners. So here is the front tire. You can't tell me that looks tiny. And then, like, I'm like literally 2 inches off the ground now. But let's see if I can back up and get a side view. There you go. It does look better. The scaling is better, but now there's this gap between my fork and the body that I don't really like too much.
kind of looks like I'm driving something that got bent or a giant L. But it looks better, and I hopefully will be able to put that front fender on. The guy inside right now, he's already getting all the UPS stuff shipped up, so we're getting that ready, put in a box. I let some people go ahead of me because I'm really not that much of a hurry. I do need to pick up a couple of things in addition to this. But let's go ahead and get some drive-by shots on this after I get a little drive on it. So I went to Whataburger really quick to go pick up some food. Wife wanted something to eat, so guess what I have to do? I gotta go get some food. So I'm gonna go ahead and get you a little bit of a view of the Ruckus and see what you think. I need some comments below. Tell me if I need to switch to a bigger tire, to like a 190 or bigger, maybe a 110. Who knows?
Alright, well there you have it. Some rolling footage, not very much because it's freezing to death and I really don't feel like setting up, running and grabbing, setting up, running and grabbing. But anyways, let me know what you think in the comments below. 90-90-10 on a stock front wheel. Does it look good? Does it look weird? Should I go for bigger? I mean, this isn't going to be my permanent front wheel because I am converting to disc. But let me know. I want to know. Anyways, thank you for watching this video about the Ruckus, everyone's favorite thing. And don't forget there's a meet this weekend. We're meeting up on Saturday at 7:30. Hopefully it's not raining. So far everything looks good. And I will see you in the next video.